Okay, Dave, the toolbox measures 72 inches wide, 28 inches deep, 46 inches tall. And this top piece is going to come off if you want it off. Jim's got it on there to put that on there, and Adam wants that piece. Point to that. Adam wants that piece. So that's got to come off yet. These are all going to get taken off of it. They're screwed on to the top of this thing. But anyhow, these are the drawers. I don't know what's in all those. What's in that thing down there?
What thing?
That thing.
This thing?
Yes.
Socket set.
A socket set. He's got all these tools in this top one.
Sockets, ratchets, all kinds of stuff.
Miscellaneous. Okay, let's close this. This is the next drawer.
All kinds of wrenches.
It's his wrench drawer.
Mainly snap-on.
Snap-on wrenches.
Yep.
Yep. Okay. Open that one.
Miscellaneous stuff.
Yeah.
Air chucks.
All the way.
Thread. Tap thread.
What's in that thing?
Threading kit. Threading. Miscellaneous junk.
Hold on. We didn't do that one.
C clamps, all kinds of clamps. Dremel tool things. Dremel tool.
What's in this thing?
Dremel tool. No, it's a like a saw. You see them on TV, but it's a
Dremel saw.
It's a Dremel saw. You can take that away. No.
What goes with it? You don't know what's in here. Dremel. Okay. Oh shit. It's heavy. Damn it. Okay.
This one?
Yeah. Oh, we did that one already. Okay. Do the next one.
All kinds of screwdrivers.
Okay. Not so fast. Pull them out.
Screwdrivers, you know.
Show them what's all in there. Okay, do the next one. My back's screaming.
Miscellaneous stuff. I'm waiting for you to tell me.
Keep pulling.
Torque wrench back here. Torque wrench. They're drill bits. Nice little drill bit thing.
Yeah, it's got all the pieces
Yeah.
for it.
I've seen that.
We don't know what's in that, right?
Torque wrench.
Oh. Okay.
Done?
Yep. Wait a minute. It's not going to close.
Good. Hammers.
Sheesh.
Okay.
Okay.
One more. Last one.
No, then we got all these over here. Pull it all the way out.
I'm trying.
You don't know what that is. And that.
No, but I'm going to find out if you give me a chance. It looks like a blue point drill and flashlight. Okay.
Okay. Now let's go over to these.
All quarter inch ratchets and sockets.
Okay.
You do this top one?
I can't get that open.
Oh, yeah.
I got to work on that top one. We don't know how to open it. There's all kinds of things in here.
Measuring stuff.
Yep. It's got them all lined. They're all lined with this.
All files. All kinds of different files. Wood, metal. Fine ones. All kinds of scrapers, punches. Okay?
Pull out further.
Miscellaneous stuff. Hot glue guns, staple guns, sandpaper, staplers.
Okay.
Junk.
Well, pull it out further.
All junk.
All right, whatever.
See?
I just wanted to show it.
Okay. This would be wire stuff, wire snippers, 3 or 4 different kinds. That's nothing.
Take that out. What's that other thing?
Nothing. Box.
Okay, those are empty boxes. Okay.
Empty box. Okay, Patty.
Now the next one.
Knee pads. Looks like a timing light. Timing light, and this is a timing light. Okay, more timing lights. 2 timing lights in it, and knee pads.
Okay. Now,